we're a brokerage based out in Port Melbourne. We support a lot of people in the land and construction space, and that means that our bread and butter really is first home buyers. First home buyers, they're coming to us when they think they're ready. So they've got that savings there. It's taken them years to get there. Whereas if they were talking to someone a lot earlier and they could be ready to purchase a home a lot sooner. The problem is trying to find those people to speak to a mortgage broker when they don't think they're ready is hard. So we were really trying to find something that filled that knowledge gap, really gave people education from the ground level before they thought they were ready. What I really didn't want is for me to give someone a bunch of content pieces and then just put them in online and then hand it back to me. I very much wanted it to be something where it was a collaborative, creative effort rather than a transaction. Someone who would take the time to understand the audience, what we wanted our audience to feel, experience. Susan was spoken very highly of, also seeing some of the work she'd done with other providers as well, other providers who I think are real leaders in industry as well, and she's been a really big part of building out their product offerings. I could go on, look at the work that had been done, and yeah, it spoke for itself. It was how regularly we were catching up. It was little ideas and tweaks along the way. It was something that was live and we worked on together. I very much changed my mindset about it being all about the information, and it's really been built more about the interactivity, not just dry finance content. And there were those fun little interactive quiz points and engagement, which if we hadn't done that, quite frankly, I feel like the course would be quite dry. Being able to point to our wider team what the system actually looks like so far has got a lot of buy-in. People are very happy with what they're seeing. A lot of our brokers are seeing the merit for their kids as well to use this system too. And if it's something they see value in for their family, it's something that they're going to see value in for their clients, and it's just going to be a real ripple effect with adoption. Other businesses really leaned into this now that they've actually seen what the product looks like. Absolutely. I feel like it's become a real point where brokerages need to develop their point of difference. We've hit the point in market adoption where now we're competing against other brokerages. We can all get the same interest rates as each other. What we can't do the same thing as each other with is the client experience. Now it's about education, and we're getting people before they think they're ready for a first home. If we're the people hand-holding them and give them financial education over and above understanding saving for a deposit, those are clients for life. And we want a future in Australia where everyone can afford their own home. Everyone's got a roof over their head. And if we lead that in the market, the result's going to speak for itself.